Welcome to Investosphere, the channel where we break down complex strategies into simple, actionable steps to help you grow your income and build a life of financial freedom. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most underrated and powerful online income methods, monetizing a niche Facebook page. This isn't some clickbait idea or theory pulled from thin air. What we're going to cover is based on real-life strategies, tested frameworks, and systems that work in 2025. Whether you're someone who already runs a Facebook page or you're starting from scratch with 0 followers, this video will walk you through the entire roadmap, from picking the right niche, to growing your audience, to actually making real, recurring income. So grab a notebook, settle in, and stick with us until the end, because we're not just covering the basics. We're going deep into the systems and psychology behind Facebook page monetization. Part 1. Understanding the power of a niche Facebook page. Before we get into monetization, let's answer a critical question. Why Facebook? Despite new platforms popping up every year, Facebook remains one of the most powerful tools for content distribution and engagement, especially among users aged 25 to 60. It allows for deep community building, organic traffic, and the ability to go viral within a niche. A niche Facebook page focuses on a specific topic, problem, interest, or identity. It could be about dog training, mental health tips, budget travel for families, minimalist living, digital nomad life, keto recipes, vintage cars, or motivational stories. The narrower the niche, the easier it is to build trust and engage a highly targeted audience. Part 2. Choosing the right niche. Start with what we call the 3 Ps of a perfect niche: passion, profit, and problem. Passion: you should be genuinely interested in the topic. It'll help you stay consistent and authentic. Profit: does the niche have products or services that people are already buying? Problem: does the niche solve a real, emotional, or practical problem that people care about? Use tools like Facebook Audience Insights, Google Trends, and Reddit to validate demand. Search for Facebook groups and pages in that niche. If people are active, commenting, and sharing, that's a good sign. Part 3. Setting up your Facebook page like a pro. Your page must look clean, trustworthy, and niche-specific. Here's what you need to do. Name the page with clarity. Avoid clever puns. Be direct. For example, instead of Furry Frenzy, go for dog training tips for busy parents. Use a high-quality cover image that visually reflects your niche. Create a short, keyword-rich bio. Mention what the page is about and why people should follow it. Add a CTA button, whether it's send message, shop now, or visit website. Consistency in tone and branding builds trust over time. Part 4. Creating magnetic content that drives engagement. The heart of your page is content. Here's how to create what we call magnetic content. Content that attracts, engages, and converts. Use a mix of visuals, quotes, infographics, and short videos. Go live once a week. Facebook promotes live content. Recycle content from your blog, YouTube, or other channels. Use storytelling to build emotional connection. End post with a question or CTA. What do you think? Or tag a friend who needs to see this. Schedule content 5 to 7 days ahead using Facebook Business Suite. Part 5. Growing your audience organically. Now, let's talk growth. How do you actually get people to follow and engage with your page? Join 10 to 15 Facebook groups in your niche and share your content there without spamming. Run engagement posts, polls, questions, fill in the blank. Collaborate with other niche pages or influencers. Use giveaways to grow your followers. Invite your friends and contacts to like the page and encourage them to share it. Growth isn't overnight, but these strategies, when repeated, compound over time. Part 6. Monetizing your Facebook page, the real game plan. Now, let's get into the real reason you're here, monetization. There are 6 powerful ways to monetize a niche Facebook page. Affiliate marketing. Promote products relevant to your niche using affiliate links. Use platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, Impact, and ClickBank. Always disclose affiliate relationships. Build trust. Selling digital products. Ebooks, checklists, courses, templates all work great if tied to a niche need. Use Gumroad or Payhip to host and deliver products. Offering paid memberships. Create a VIP group with exclusive content, live sessions, or tools. Use Facebook's own paid group feature or platforms like Patreon. Sponsor content and brand deals. Once your page grows, brand will pay for exposure. Be picky with deals. Only work with brands your audience will resonate with. Email list building and funnels. Offer a free guide in exchange for emails. Build your list. Then, use email marketing to sell your products or services. Facebook ads, if you want a product. Once you have enough data, run low-cost ads to scale traffic or sales. Scaling and automation. To make this income sustainable and scalable, hire a content VA or graphic designer. Use ChatGPT or Jasper for caption ideas. Schedule posts a week in advance. Set monthly goals, followers, engagement, revenue. Study analytics to understand what works best. Treat your page like a business. Every post should be intentional. And there you have it, your complete blueprint to monetizing a niche Facebook page in 2025. Whether you're just starting or looking to optimize an existing page, this strategy gives you the tools and the mindset to succeed. Now, we want to hear from you. What niche are you most passionate about? Have you already started a Facebook page? And which monetization method are you most excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel Investosphere, and share this with a friend who might benefit. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our deep dive videos on online earning and passive income. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep growing.